Flexible stone, Voyage MCM. Ultra-light and flexible cladding for exterior and interior walls. Waterproof and weather-resistant. Authentic stone texture with ultra-thin profile for any surface. Flexibly and effortlessly wraps curved walls and columns. Seamless finish for complex designs. Explore 100 plus MCM flexible stone surfaces, including travertine, slate, and 3D printed textures. Paired with specialized adhesive, Voyage seamlessly adheres to tiles, glass, steel, OSB, and foam boards. Behind quality. Step 1. Slurry mixing, precision powder blending. Step 2. Spraying. Slurry is evenly sprayed onto molds for initial texture. Step 3. Respreading, second layer for deep texture. Step 4. Mesh and smoothing, layering meshed fabrics and hand scraping. Step 5. High heat curing and demolding. Step 6. Trimming, precision edge cutting and waste removal. Step 7. Printing, automated pattern printing for custom textures. Final step. Inspection and protective packaging. Massive warehouse stock and strong supply capacity. Sufficient inventory to ensure fast delivery for global projects. Trusted by global projects with proven excellence, bring your architectural vision to life with Voyage. Contact us today for samples and quotes.